In Google Sheets, you can work around with multiple sheets inside of the same file. So here you can see that in my data file right here, right now I only have one sheet. If I want to add in another sheet that I can work with it, then I can press this little plus icon on the left side which says add sheet. And if I were to click on this, a new sheet is added in. So now you can see that I have two sheets. I got sheet 1, I got sheet 2. And then now what I can do is I can add around another data to it. So I can say something like hello right here, and the data is added onto sheet 2. Similarly, I can go around, add in another sheet right here, and then here I'm going to add in another data right here. And similarly, you can add as much sheets as you like. Another thing that you can do is if you don't want a particular sheet, you can delete it. And to delete it, you can right click on it or click on this little arrow right here and then click on delete. And once you do that, what happens is that the sheet gets deleted. And if you have a lot of sheets, then just seeing them as sheet 1 or 2 might be confusing. So you might want to rename your sheets as well. So if you want to rename it, you can right click on it, or you can click on this little arrow right here and then click on rename and name the sheet. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say something as shopping list right here. And there you go. The sheet has been renamed into shopping list. And similarly, for this one, I just want to rename this as example sheet right here. And there you go. So that is how you can go around, add, delete, and rename sheets inside of sheets right there. You can also double click and change the name according to what you like. Example there. All right. So there you go. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.